So hello guys, welcome to my channel. Thank you for clicking, thank you for subscribing, and if you are new here, kindly consider subscribing. So today I'll be showing you how to prepare coconut milk, and let's get started. So guys, we will start by removing the husk from this edge like this. Then using a sharp object, we're gonna poke these edges, these holes like this, so that we can be able to tap the coconut water. So and here we go. So for those of you who don't know how a coconut look like, they look like this. And from the edge where it is attached, it has some three holes which make it look like a face somehow. So you poke here the holes, then you are able to tap the water like this. You can see for yourself, guys, how the water is coming out very easily. So we'll also be using this water in the process, so we need it. So guys, after draining the water from the inside of the coconut, we will set it aside. And since I want to access the inside, there are two things you can do. Actually, there is only one thing you can do. You want to crush this and be able to access the inside. So you can smash it on the ground or on a hand surface, or you can just crack it like the way I'm going to do. Like this. So guys, you can see the inside of the coconut, so white. So we are going to remove bit of the coconut, and then from there we are going to continue with the process. So guys, this is how it looks from the inside. So amazing. And for those of you who don't know, the water from the coconut, you can drink it and give it a try. Amazing. So the next thing you're gonna do, you're gonna remove the coconut from the coconut shell like this using your knife. Like that. You can see the holes which you poked earlier. So guys, remember we are doing two coconuts and we are done removing the inside, and you can see my bowl is full. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to reduce this further, then from there I'm going to blend. So I'm going to reduce them like this, small pieces. So again guys, remember the coconut milk is very nutritious, and it also has some health benefits, hair growth, skin growth, and other internal benefits. So you can try googling the benefits of coconut. There are so many. So now we are going to go ahead and add the coconut in the blender jar like so. Then I will go ahead and sieve the water that we collected from the inside of the coconut, which after measuring it, which is about 200 ml. Like that, I'm going to close the top, so I will go ahead and start blending. So we will do like this to help the pieces that are on the top to go down. So guys, after blending, you can see how everything looks inside of my blending jar. So from here, I'm going to squeeze the first milk, or part one. Then from there, I'm going to repeat the same process, but now adding tap water. So using a very clean piece of cloth, I'm going to do everything. Like this, so that I can be able to squeeze the milk. So after adding everything there, I will come here, then I will squeeze. Guys, you can see, amazing, super amazing, I can tell you. So you can see the milk, I've not yet even squeezed, very thick. The first squeeze is very thick. In fact, you can see. So guys, you can see how the milk is coming out after squeezing. And the first squeeze is also known as coconut cream. Yeah. And you need some muscle for you to squeeze this milk out, like the way I'm doing. So you squeeze until there is nothing left to squeeze. So from here, I'm going to return this inside my blender jar, then add some water and blend for the second time, then squeeze. So guys, this is the second squeeze. So guys, the second squeeze is not as thick as the first one, and you can see for yourself. Coconut milk. So guys, after squeezing, we got around 700 ml of coconut milk. So guys, we have come to the final step, and today we have our sampler. We'll be sampling the coconut milk, and she let us know how the milk tastes. So I'll go ahead and serve her. You can see we are serving on the coconut shell. This is in order to give the coconut the respect as the deserves after giving us the milk. So, okay.
So hi guys, I'm Shiro Chao. I'm also a YouTuber, and today I'm the one who is sampling the coconut milk. Hey guys, it has a unique taste. I've never tasted something like this before. Very nutritious.
Yes.
So guys, I'm also a YouTuber. Support me, go to my channel, subscribe.
Yeah. Guys, remember, if you've been getting this milk from the supermarket, I've just shown you how to prepare coconut milk. And if you are here for the first time, kindly consider subscribing, and thank you for watching.